In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Squarespace access. If you need to invite someone to help manage your Squarespace website, this process is pretty straightforward. You'll be using the permissions settings inside your Squarespace dashboard to add them as a contributor. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Squarespace site, especially if you manage more than one. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of the Squarespace dashboard and clicking the settings icon. This is where Squarespace stores the main controls for your website, including site management, billing, domains, and user access. Once you're in the settings area, click on Permissions and Ownership. This section is specifically designed for managing who can access your website and what level of control they have. If you don't see it right away, just look through the settings menu carefully, because it's the area where contributor roles are managed. After that, click on Permissions and Ownership again to open the permissions page itself. Depending on the version of the dashboard you're using, Squarespace may require this extra click to move from the General Settings menu into the Detailed Permissions screen. Now click on Invite Contributor. This will open the invitation form where you can enter the new user's details and choose their access level. This is the key step for adding someone to your website without sharing your own login information, which is always the safer and more professional approach. In the invitation form, type the person's name and email address. Be sure to enter the correct email address, since this is where the invitation will be sent. If the address is entered incorrectly, the person won't receive access until you correct it and send a new invitation. Next, click on Administrator. This selects the role you want to assign to the contributor. Administrator access gives that person broad control over the website, so only choose this if you trust them to manage important parts of the site. It's a good idea to double-check the role before sending the invitation, since permissions determine what they'll be able to edit and manage. Finally, click Invite. Squarespace will send the invitation to the email address you entered, and the contributor can then accept it to gain access to the site. And that's it. You've successfully given someone access to your Squarespace website. As a final tip, after sending the invite, you can always return to the Permissions and Ownership section later to review, update, or remove contributor access if needed.